Hello, welcome to our channel. If you're new here, this is a tutorial from SunMyke.com. And today we are diving into one of the most exciting parts of launching a beauty product, which is designing your own product label. Whether you're starting a hair care or skincare line, your label is the first thing customer will notice. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to make your product label without wasting time on the design aspect. Let's get started. First things first, you will need a design software. The design software I'm using today is Adobe Illustrator. Let's jump into Illustrator. Don't worry, if you're not a professional designer, you can still follow through. Go ahead and create a custom size to match the dimension of your product label. For this example, let's say we are designing for a 2 by 6 inch label, but make sure you check your product size and adjust accordingly. Now, here comes the fun part, selecting a template. Templates are a great starting point, and there are tons of options for beauty product labels. Look for something that fits the vibe of your brand, or if you have a budget, you can hire us on SunMyke.com. For a skincare line, you might want soft, elegant designs. While for a hair care, bold and energetic color could be a great fit, but your brand style can influence the look. I have created these 4 templates variations, and you can download any of them below this video for free. Feel free to modify them to make them your own. If you're selling shampoo, conditioner, or moisturizer, simply edit the product name to ensure it stands out. You can edit the color to suit your need. Now, let's customize the fonts and colors. When choosing fonts, remember to go for something legible and clean. You want your customers to be able to read the label easily. As for colors, choose ones that represent your brand. For a fresh, natural look, green tones or pastel might work well. For something more luxurious, metallic and dark hues like navy or black can give off that premium feel. Don't forget your logo. You will want to upload your brand's logo to the label. You can also add some simple graphics like icon or product details. Make sure to include ingredients, usage instructions, and any other essential information your customers need. Spacing is key. Keep your designs clean and organized. You don't want the label to look too crowded. Use margins to create a buffer between text and edges of the label, so everything feels balanced. Once you're happy with your design, give it a final preview. Does it look professional? Is the text readable? Does it align with your brand's identity? If everything checks out, you're ready to download and print. And that's it. You just learn how to make your own product label in few minutes with a template. It's simple, it's quick, and it's an awesome way to make your product stand out in the market. To get one of these templates for free, check the link and click the link in the description of this video. Also, if your goal is to learn how to create your labels by yourself, check and click the link in the video description as well. Just remember, your label is an extension of your brand, so make sure it tells your brand story and be consistent across all your products. If you have found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on building your beauty brand from the ground up. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or need help with your label design. I am here to help. Until next time, keep designing and building the brand of your dreams. Watch out for our other videos for more branding and design tips, and follow us on the social media for latest updates. See you in the next video. Bye.